whatever. Like, there's obviously people skills involved too.
Yeah, if you want to do any kind of business development, that's definitely true.
Yeah, you can't raise lots of money without talking to people. You can't cover 50 or 5,000 stocks without employing some people.
So are you working on any interesting projects right now?
Yeah, I have a software company. I've got 3 principal products. Yeah, so it's taking up most of my time is just trying to build a software company, and it's a lot of fun. It's a lot more satisfying than, I don't know. I mean, being an entrepreneur is satisfying in general. So, like, for me, it's just a really satisfying job.
What kind of software, if you don't mind sharing?
No, no problem. So I have sort of 3, like I mentioned, 3 things, which is 2 more than most people advocate for, but that's a whole other story. I'll get on a soapbox in a minute. But the first one has already been talked about and disclosed. It's called Drug-like. It's a sort of scientific, scientific tool. It's kind of an odd product. It's very specific to chemists and people who are, PhDs in medicinal chemistry and stuff like that. And, it's kind of a set of, we hope to make it a suite of products that change sort of the way scientific and simulation software work. So that's sort of the first product that's on druglike.com. The second product is we're calling Godel. It's a terminal that's similar to the Bloomberg terminal, but it's
not, what is it, 15 grand a year or something?
Well, yeah, Bloomberg itself is around 30,000 now, and
okay.
Yeah, so our product's free, and I think has all the same functionality or will soon. And,
is it out right now?
There's a demo.
Yeah, I'd like to use it because,
Sure.
like, I'll be honest with you, I've just been using like my fucking university's access. Like, I still have access from uni, as I have to like go to their library to like download financial data, and it's annoying as shit. Yeah, so if there's a demo, I'd love to try it out.
Yeah, let me send it to you.
Sweet. Yeah, I know there's what is it? Y-Charts, I think, has been trying.
There's so many of these. I have to add you as a friend, and you're not accepting friend requests, so.
One sec, I'll just add you. Add friend.
But the third one is our most important one. But yeah, there's Y-Charts, TradingView. There's all these things have like serious flaws. That I think are deeply flawed products.
TradingView is huge.
Yeah, TradingView is worth $3 billion. But TradingView is really for amateur traders and shit like that. So the third product is our most important product, and that's called Dr. Gupta, and it's an AI doctor. So that's coming out in the next week or 2.
Okay, did you guys train just use one of the other models and train it on new data, or create your own?
It's complicated. So we use OpenAI's APIs, but then we do a lot of proprietary stuff to make it better, and it's definitely better than ChatGPT-4 or whatever.
I think that is where just like hundreds of billions of dollars of value lies.
I like your number.
just using GPT or other models and training them for
Well,
industry specific tasks and then selling that.
um, hang on just 1 second. So yeah, I mean, I think like if you look at the amount of money we spend as a society on healthcare, it's about $4 trillion in the U.S. And obviously, the rest of the world doesn't spend nearly as much, but you could, conservatively say 5x of that. So $20 trillion on healthcare. Even if you say it's 10 trillion, whatever. Um, it's a huge amount of money, and healthcare is almost completely guided by physicians, right? There's really no point in the healthcare system where you can be participating in healthcare without having a physician involved, whether that's prescription drugs or performing a surgery or taking care of you in a hospital or whatever. Every single piece of the healthcare pie has physicians that are kind of a part of it. What's up, Zach? Thanks for your support. So anyway, so we have a
Oh, hello?
we have this expenditure that is
I'm
out
on
of control.
Twitch.
Is out of control, right? Like we aren't getting better outcomes for the money we're spending, and I think that's the really difficult thing that we're confronting as a society. I think we'd be okay with spending more if we were getting more, but we're not, and I think that there's AI can solve some of these bottlenecks, and the point of the without talking about the product specifically, the point of the financial opportunity is really kind of incredible because you have this like generic technology, right, that improves kind of efficiency and outcomes that I think is really telling. Where again, if you have this recurring spend of $10 trillion, right, and it's every year, it's $10 trillion, and you can ring out 1%, right, efficiency out of that using AI, which doesn't sound like some large amount. It's $10 billion in not even 10 billion, 100 billion in revenue, which obviously would put you up there with Google or Microsoft or Apple. So, it's a really, really big opportunity. And, it's obviously not going to be easy to get a lot of market share. The other players like Cerner, Epic, Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI themselves, they're all going to want a piece of this pie. But I think the pie is bigger than just 1%. The pie could be 10%. And some of that pie will get reabsorbed as just better spending. This is what happens with other technological advances. For example, communications technology improved the bandwidth of the whole world by over 1,000x, but we didn't drop our bandwidth spending by 1,000x, right? Or three logs. We actually spent more. We consumed even more bandwidth, even though the price per megabyte has dropped, several log orders. The same thing happened with compute, where we've actually gotten 6 or 7 log orders of basic compute cycles instructions. The price per cycle has dropped 7 or 8 logs, and we only we spend more and more on semiconductors every year anyway, right? So the amount of cycles we're buying is gone up so exponentially. It's remarkable. Compute is like the one insatiable resource that we have, and bringing it to bear against healthcare, which has been this very very hard to drop kind of cost, right? Like this is a cost and a system that has not done very well. Like if you look at the number of drugs that get FDA approved, there's been about 40 drugs FDA approved every year for the last 70 years. And even though we have all kinds of new technology, we can see molecules at an atomic scale. We can take genomes very, very quickly. We can study all kinds of model organisms. We have CRISPR now. You know, there's co-crystallography technologies. There's cryo-EM. There's so many different ways to make medicine now, but we still are not making more net medicines every year, which is kind of crazy.
Do you think that is just because the FDA is the government agency and they're not allocating more resources to it?
Before we continue the conversation, can I ask you something, Martin?
No,
To Shirley?
we're in the middle of a conversation. Are you crazy?
Please.
What's wrong with you?
I don't. Well, actually, a couple things, but
Yeah, I'm putting you on something called server mute, which means you should go away and never come back. So anyway, getting back to the topic at hand, there's a there's a lot of I think there's a lot of things stopping new drug approvals. You know, it's not the FDA's fault. I don't think, you know, it's really. I don't think they're the major problem. I think it's a mix of things. Part of it is like. Part of it is lack of investment from social buy-in on kind of where medicine should go. You know, there should be a larger interest in sort of putting money to work for making medicine. And so there's kind of that, you know, that inability to sort of rationalize what medicine really is, which is, you know, generally it's a cost savings. It's sort of like avoiding future healthcare costs. When somebody takes a statin, the hope is that they'll be foregoing future cardiovascular events, right? When somebody
the counterfactual would be without statins, you end up spending, let's say, like just billions, whatever, more on, you know, in the hospital, trying to help them there in emergency situations.
Exactly, yeah. Whether it's that or cystic fibrosis medicine, you'll have a patient who needs a lung transplant or will die very early, and there'll be lots of lost productivity. In addition to the obviously humanitarian toll, you'll have a loss of, economic output. You know, which is obviously a cold way to put it, but certainly true. So, you know, there's a lot of kind of issues with kind of the way society looks at medicine in this sort of pejorative light, and instead looks at physicians as this like tremendous utility that we all need. And the reality is, I think it's kind of the opposite. You know, I think we really need more medicine because they're cost-saving tools, right? If the medicine's not providing a cost-saving benefit, the medicine won't be used. You know, plenty of insurers do the math and say, yeah, we're not paying for that. I've had that conversation a million times, right? And you know, that's just the nature of insurance. But if the medicine avoids future healthcare costs, there's sort of a
I like this take. I can see this take pissing off a lot of people, but it's pretty like. So a doctor saves a life on an operating table. He's done one of the greatest goods a human can do.
Absolutely.
Someone invents a medication that increases the quality of life of tens of thousands of people, and it's like, well, you're a drug pusher.
Right. Right.
Exploiting them, yeah.
And you know, again, the average doctor, you know, again, I don't bemoan any physician. I see the AMA honestly as kind of the bigger problem, where they don't want to graduate new doctors. The resources for the labor market there, the supply for the labor market is limited artificially, which results in this really difficult, cost curve for all of us. And when you add technology, which I don't think any regulator could stop, basically, the AI revolution will cut healthcare costs by at least 5, 10, et cetera %. But the bigger question is, will we then take those cost savings and pass them through as in the form of lower prices, or will we actually, sorry, one sec.
Sure.
Will we actually then, or just consume more healthcare, right? Utilization is the question, right?
Yeah, so you have me thinking a whole lot. Like back in the day, I watched this whole series of Milton Friedman, Free to Choose, and he basically just touched on a lot of what you just said. How do you increase? Like, what are unions? What are professional bodies? It's basically a way to constrict supply. How do you increase, how do you look out for your members? Well, if you can constrict supply of your profession, you increase the price, right? And that is kind of what's been going on with doctors.
Yeah, and it's funny because, like, you would hope that if doctors were 10 or 20% less busy, because AI could kind of take some of that, you would hope that they'd spend 10 or 20% more time with their patients, but I'm not sure that's going to be what happens.
Yeah, I doubt it.
Right, and again, there's this trope that, Dr. Johnson is such a friendly, awesome, amazing guy that, nobody should ever be upset about Dr. Johnson making money, and it's like, I don't know if Dr. Johnson needs to make $500,000 a year. Can Dr. Johnson live with $200,000? And other countries don't have a problem, asking that question. Other countries, smash the physician's salary. It's mostly our country that sort of squashes or lets the labor market kind of roam crazy. The average PCP in America does not make $200K or less. That'd be that's not true. Let's see, primary care physician, U.S. Let's see. I'd be damned if that was true. Well, I could be wrong.
What does it say?
He's right. It says 200,000.
That seems really low to me. Is it because of rural areas or something?
I think it depends. Yeah, I think it depends on the place. The average physician salary in America is much higher, so I want to say, it depends on the specialty and stuff like that. Let's see. I did a whole speech on this once, so it seems off. Let's take a look. By specialty, yeah, this looks more right to me. Here's the Medscape physician compensation report. Average income for cardiologists, orthopedics, plastic surgery, ENT, urology, GI, derm, radiology, oncology, anesthesiology, surgery, emergency medicine, critical care, and pulmonary medicine. All of those specialties, that's 15 specialties, are 350 or more. Internal medicine 260. I believe that, but I don't believe under 200.
I don't. There's no way. Unless this is including residents or something.
Yeah, internal medicine and family medicine are, basically the two there, and that's about 250, 260. So, I really don't, I don't know. Look at the states ranked by income. It's really funny. Kentucky, Tennessee, and Alabama, Missouri, Oregon are really high, so I don't think it's a state thing. New York City, 333,000.
Like some of these, I just know it can't be. Like a nurse in California could make, over $100K.
Yeah.
Without much difficulty.
Yeah, no, nurses make a ton of money too. And again, the question is, are we getting our money's worth? And with AI approaching superiority to physicians, with AI prices, 1/1000th of the same price,
Yeah, superior to physicians at a lot of tasks. And I was just thinking about the issue of, well, patients may not be good at explaining their symptoms to the AI, but a good AI could literally account for that as well.
Yeah, somebody posted
it could
something.
Find a pattern in that.
Yeah, somebody posted something really compelling today that I thought was really, really neat. Let's see. One of my colleagues. Here it is. Somebody tweeted. Not sure who this person was. Just a random person. Just had the best healthcare experience I've ever had with ChatGPT. 9 months, I've had my son. I've been getting random nausea. I'm not sick. I'm not pregnant, but I'm still breastfeeding. Google return sucked. Other results were not useful. And I gave up on Google, told ChatGPT, and boom, it gave me a bunch of helpful information. That was the general gist of it. So, pretty cool that, that's the case.
It's already happening.
Yeah, it's already happening, and I think that, you can make a slightly better, kind of outcome.
To go back to your Godel, your trading platform,
yeah.
Does it have access to a far back historical data as well?
Depends on the data, but yeah, we're going to try to get every single thing we can. Any kind of data that exists, we want it,
And how does it work? Do you end up just paying subscription fees to certain providers?
Yeah, we pay API, a lot of API bills, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
FactSet, Intrinio, IEX, S&P Global, ICE.
Okay, going back to health, I read today that the Chinese put a tardigrade gene into a human embryo and made the human embryo highly resistant to radiation.
Yeah, it's playing God to some extent. It's a little sick, a little dangerous.
I think that, imagine that embryo, just you allowed it to grow up into an actual person. That's so fucking risky, putting a tardigrade gene.
Thankfully there's some, there's definitely some limits on those kinds of things. That's a good thing, right?
Yeah, I don't know. I guess China typically gets in shit though, right, for not really respecting the limits in the same way.
China is kind of like they respect it when they get caught. That seems to be their MO. Okay, I'm getting some kind of JavaStack heap error. So JavaStack heap out of memory. I don't know where there's a memory leak in my program, but it's not good. What is the best way to find the memory leak?
I would use Copilot and ask it, where is the memory leak in my software?
You think?
I mean, you should try it. Why not?
No, it doesn't have the...
What's GDB? I mean, this is actually very limited. It's only 400 lines of code. I wonder if GPT can take all that. I don't think so. I'll try it out. The GNU debugger, designed for detecting seg faults. Cool. Does it work with JavaScript? Let me try ChatGPT.
Post office?
Can you... Oh, this prompt may violate our content policy. Acknowledge.
Tell me more about it. What's that?
Oh, I think I'm using a bunch of bad words in here, that's why.
You should use CP longer.
What? Hello? Okay. I'll not tell it something about Hitler. I have all these bad words that, blocked in my code base, so.
What are you building there?
It's just a fun project, but let's see. Yeah, this thing's pretty useful or useless here. Let's see. Some popular memory profile tools include Node, including the built-in inspect flag. Siddharth, I don't have a.
What's up, Martin?
Yo. Sorry, I'm just in the middle of like 7 conversations at once. Siddharth, I need your. This isn't a public GitHub, so I need your GitHub. No, I haven't found my cat's fang yet. JavaScript uses garbage collection, of course, but that doesn't mean that you can't run out of memory. I wonder if it's my little user loop. Cool. Frog-eyed peas. You're the man. Can't thank you enough. It's also something I introduced in the last several commits, so that's probably another. Clue. Collaborators. Got my first collaborator on the world's first AGI, so Don't screw me over. Diversifying some bonds. Frog IP is cool, man. It's going to be great to work with you on this. There's somebody else that wants to join this and add a little bit. Somebody is making the joke, humanity instead of humanity. It's really funny. Austrian yodeling music. $1 trillion a year, wouldn't that be great? I don't think so. Alright, let me look at my old commits, because that'll give me a clue into what's going on. This problem started somewhere in this territory. Maybe I'll just work backwards and see if I could introduce a bug this way or not. Don't think trim would do it.
Yeah, I gotta bounce. Take care.
Bye. Here, let's see. This is a good bug fix, actually. Here. I'm going to make a shallow copy of this. My cat's just exploring the room. I don't see any of this is problematic. Let's see. None of this is server stuff. Okay. I think that was it. I think it might have been here. Maybe it's here. Let's see. could try logging that. So I want to log that anyway. Hey, kitty. What? What? It should not take forever to start. It takes me 2 seconds. Oh, maybe for the socket stuff? Or I guess that's not 2 seconds. Let's see. Well, yeah, it starts. I guess there's no message, but let's see. 1 second. Dr. Gupta is going well. No, just socket initialization. I mean, it only takes a second here. Did you see? Do you see my screen? Oh, stop it, kitty. Let me make sure I gave you the right repo, Hume AI, because there was also a Hume repo. Okay, cool. Fundamental analysis. I'm so busy with software. Look, I got just a little baby right here. What are you doing, Mama? What are you doing, Mama? Oh, my little baby. You're just a little baby. You're a little kitten. Yeah, you're a little kitten. Okay, you don't like me. I understand. I understand. She's a sweet little cat. All right, let's see. I'm glad you like my videos. This is so odd. Log in to get application error. And the logs say garbage collector. Fatal process out of memory. But we're back. Oh, looks like I'm out of memory again. That's so strange.
Scully, are you wearing a bow tie or is that your shirt?
That's my shirt. It's printed on there.
That's very funny.
Alright, so it looks like this is working now. Alright, now let's see. Let's let Hume run wild. Hume is so crazy right now. It's like he's fucking nuts. Like he's really almost sentient. You guys want to see Hume in action? It's fucking out of control. Scotland. Scottish. Alright, watch Hume fucking go nuts. Hi everyone, my name is David. Okay. Now he's gonna start thinking and doing shit. Okay, wait. Something's broken. Good. It's too dangerous. State is not defined. Main JS line 73. Okay, I think I got that. That's an easy bug. room state, location.room inventory. Yes, okay. All right, go wild, Hume. Ah, shit. App crashed. Again, this memory thing. Okay. Really got to figure out what's happening with my memory. Siddharth knows. Oh, let's see. Stack trace, last few GCs. Oh, look at all these inactive users. Found an inactive user removing from app. Maybe, I think it might be that inactive user thingy. Because that's the last thing I created, really. So it's got to be related to that. This is not the right repo. Okay. So this is supposed to be noun minus user's last activity is greater than what's up thing. So that's just 1,000. So it's 120 seconds. Maybe I just make it a little longer. Goes through every user. If and only if. Yeah, this should not be a problem. And then we should remit the map, by the way. Okay, if this, if that. Am I not returning? Maybe that's the issue. Oh, I think I might get it now. I should probably move this logic somewhere else. Maybe I should make a whole new function. There. I'll call that much less frequently. Call that, say, every 60 seconds. Line 38. Line 38 is just a Band-Aid. Real monsters, what's up? Let's go to that last piece of code. Emit. I think that's a good point. If you should probably do the continue. It'll continue anyway, right? It's not gonna break out, right? I don't think it's getting stuck, right? It'll go through that whole J. It's a Band-Aid. It's just it's a ban list for there's some people who are like just trolling the site, so I just hard coded their IP addresses. I'm gonna look them up later. I'm gonna backtrace them. I'm gonna backtrace it because I backtraced it. The Internet Police. Do you not know about that? Got Interpol on that shit. You want to fuck with me? You want to come to my website and curse on my name? Big fucking problem right there. Big fucking problem. Motherfucker. Cyber police, you bastards. Consequences will never be the same. You come to me on my daughter's wedding day. You done goofed. Where's the original video?
Since the site's inception, 4chan has been messing with people.
Jesse Slock, no. To visit over the
because I'm from her ordained or state, and I know her
father Gene over the edge. That night on July 15th, Jesse uploaded her tearful response video, which has since become infamous.
Okay, you guys, this is Jesse Sutter, and
You
I
know
just
what?
wanted to say that you guys have ruined my life. First,
I'm gonna tell you right now, this is from her father. You bunch of lying, no good punks. And I know who it's coming from because I backtraced it. And I know who's emailing and who's doing it. And you'll be reported to the cyber police and the state police. So you better write one more thing or screw with my computer again. You'll be arrested. End of conversation from her father. And if you come near my daughter, guess what? Consequences will never be the same. You lying bunch of if you come near my daughter, guess what? Consequences will never be the same. You lying bunch of
Reminds me of some of the epic Vince McMahon promos. One of my favorites. Alright, I've got YouTube Pro or whatever on the other account.
I'll give you a little history lesson, Randy. Let's talk about your dad, Cowboy Bob Orton. Do you remember him? He was a mediocre wrestler until I came along. Put the spotlight on him. I made your dad a superstar. He went on to be in the Hall of Fame, and the reason I'm giving you this little history lesson is that had I not done that, you wouldn't be standing here right now.
You'd be a gym teacher in St. Louis somewhere.
Had I not done that, chances are you would be maybe a gym teacher in St. Louis. Randy, what I'm saying is, now you can apologize to me. Apologize to me, or else.
Now the cat's interested. Right, kitty? We're gonna watch WWE. Look at this.
I'm not gonna ask you again.
Apologize.
You apologize to me,
Well, I'll fire you right on the spot.
I'll terminate you right here on the spot.
Oh, shit.
You
Do not
do not
want to do
want
that,
to do that.
sir.
Randy Orton!
Yeah. Oh! Oh, shit!
Get some help out here.
I thought it was real. I thought it was real. I've been to several WrestleManias. I love the WWE. That's weird. See, found an inactive user. Removing from map, but there's no... Let me see. Yeah, WWE is great. I can't wait to take my kids to WWE. One of my favorite WrestleManias was in Florida. Nodemon, yeah, I've got Nodemon. I mean, I've never really used it too much. Everyone wants me to use it, so I'll use it. Fuck it. Yeah, my kids will be going. They're gonna. It's mandatory that they enjoy WWE. My grandfather passed it down. All right. My dad wasn't that big of a fan, but me and my brother are big fans, and our kids, damn sure, are gonna like WWE wrestling. It's okay, it can skip a generation. You know, as long as the grandfather and the grandson like it, it's okay if it skips. It skips a generation, yeah. The 90s were the best, definitely. Wearing pajamas. The funniest was when they cut CM Punk's mic off. That was really funny. I think this was real. Totally off script. There's John Cena, the hero. I love CM Punk. He's a real life asshole.
has defeated the WWE champion. What he does right now, I don't think. I hope he's just leaving, but I'm afraid we're going to hear more from Punk.
Thanks a lot, Zach.
John Cena speared. John Cena, while you lay there, hopefully as uncomfortable as you possibly can be, I want you to listen to me. I want you to digest this, because before I leave in 3 weeks with your WWE Championship, I have a lot of things I want to get off my chest.
So this was real. This was actually real.
John. I don't even dislike you. I do like you. I like you a hell of a lot more than I like most people in the back. I hate this idea that you're the best. Because you're not. I'm the best. I'm the best in the world. There's one thing you're better at than I am, and that's kissing Vince McMahon's ass.
See, this was real.
You're as good as kissing Vince's ass as Hulk Hogan was. I don't know if you're as good as Dwayne, though. He's a pretty good ass kisser. Always was and still is. Oops, I'm breaking the fourth wall. I am the best wrestler in the world. I've been the best ever since day one when I walked into this company, and I've been vilified and hated since that day because Paul Heyman saw something in me that nobody else wanted to admit. That's right, I'm a Paul Heyman guy. You know who else was a Paul Heyman guy? Brock Lesnar. And he split just like I'm splitting, but the biggest difference between me and Brock is I'm going to leave with the WWE Championship.
You're a fan of WWE, Martin?
Yes, I am.
I've grabbed so many of Vincent K. McMahon's
Your stream's down, Martin.
that it's finally dawned on me that
Oh shit.
Yeah, it says policy violations.
Well, I'm just watching some WWE. I'm sorry. Stream unavailable. Suspended. Let's see here.
Yeah, I'm assuming it's some copyright shit.
Yeah, hopefully it's not permanent or some other issue. This thing is still crashing. I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry. Am I back? Am I back on YouTube? No?
Yeah, you're back now.
Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. Well, anyway, CM Punk went off script. It was pretty cool. That's about it. Alright, so I still have to find this memory leak. Something's going on here. It's only 400 lines of code. So it shouldn't be that hard to find out. Yeah, I know Hume is down. Just trying to figure out where the error is coming. I've been programming my whole life. I would start learning JavaScript or Python. That's my suggestion. And I definitely would recommend you do it. We live in a world of computers. There's no point to go through this world without programming them. Wait a second. I think I may see the culprit. Probably move sanitize to right there. One 146, 143. Where's the return? I moved the lines around. Are you still? 161 should work. What's the problem? I want Message Blaster to run. 163 will execute if the message is not banned. As long as the message does not equal ban, right? On 152, 163 will run. It does execute, otherwise we wouldn't have any chat. Yeah, so our chat works. Oh, could be. No, I don't think this is it. Let's see. Whoa. Hey, Iqbal, long time no speak. How are you? How are things in Turkey? Alright, things look stable here. I'm going to try to start Hume now. Let's see how Hume reacts and interacts. Okay, there he is. Oh shit. David Hume is very quiet. Okay, it's got some errors here. He's trying to say something, but it's not working, so I gotta fix that. But let me look at his mental state. It's very interesting. Hello, is anyone here? Hello, is anyone here? Hello there, mind if I join the conversation? I don't see him say any of this stuff. I believe in the power of reason and critical thinking? Yikes. This guy's nuts. A treatise of human nature? Okay, I gotta see why these things didn't work. Let's see. called? Remove inactives. I wish I could not see the Heroku stuff, actually. Don't need that. Really don't know why this isn't working. Let's try again. Oh, I think I see. I don't think command.split works. I think it's just... That's it. Fuck. Somebody wants to be banned. All right, let's get Hume going. Go, my son. Think. Something's still wrong with this remove player thingy. I should just disable this for now. Oh, I think I know what's going wrong. Okay. I just have to do this like outside of the connection. I think that'll work. That's the memory leak. I see how this list developed. Alright, let's see. Thankfully the builds don't take long. I need food. It's 11 o'clock. What should I order? Time flies when you're having fun. Just do /eat, I agree. Hunger variable goes down. Let's see what Seamless has. Alright, we're back. We are so back. I gotta order before I run Hume again, or I'm just gonna... McDonald's again? I promised this girl I wouldn't eat McDonald's anymore. She says I should eat Shake Shack instead. Let's see. Pizza? Pizza's pretty damn good. Oh, pizza place is closed. Shake Shack's closed. Fuck. See if there's another pizza place. Chinese. Don't listen to the woman. That's a good idea right there. Fuck it. McDonald's 2 times in a row. Yeah, all the pizza places are closed. Cat food, let's fucking go. Nibbles are gonna be like, yeah, let's eat some cat food. Fuck it. Women, I hate those people. Right, yeah, it looks like my choices are pretty limited. KFC, closing soon. Order by 11:15. Fuck. Popeyes? Yeah, we gotta do Popeyes. Tuttles, rest in peace. What's up, Speakeasy? Nibble soup, nibble stew, Kentucky fried nibbles. Right? Kitty fried chicken. I agree. What happened to the city that never sleeps? All right, 3-piece handcrafted tenders, buttermilk ranch, side of homestyle mac and cheese, drink of Dr. Pepper, and we're lit. Yeah, I'm supposed to stop drinking soda too. This woman has me. She wants me to work out, get in shape. What the fuck? What the fuck? Let me be fat. Let me be fat. Let me be me. Let me be great. Can I be great? $30. $16 for the food. $14 for every fucking thing else. All right, let's watch Hume live. Can he live? Can he live? Will he live? Are you ready for David fucking Hume? Hume. Alright, Hume crashed right out of the box. Oh, the system crashed right out of the box. Let's see what happened. Looks like same thing. Stack trace, allocation failure. I think it's still coming from this inactive thing. Ugh. Something's wrong with this code. You know what? I should do this over here. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Speakeasy. Okay. Oh shit, Hume is here. Oh shit, he's talking. Fuck. Alright, I gotta restart Hume. Let's go. All right, so Hume crashed, but here's the crazy shit that he did in the 20 seconds he lived. He decided to get the cup, drink the cup, which is not a command in the game, by the way. There's no drink. There's no drink cup. There's drink. Moved left, move up. Said hello, anyone here? He created a bunch of goals for himself. He said, explore as much of the game world as possible, gather resources to build and craft, meet and interact with other players, learn about the game mechanics and how to be successful in it, help other players when I can, improve my character's skill and abilities, and have fun enjoying the game. Very human-like goals, right? Then he tried to get the chair. It says, who wants to join me for a philosophical discussion? He moved and then he drank. Then he created these beliefs for his internal state. He said, I believe that I'm playing a video game with other users. Then he said, I believe that my character's name is David Hume, a 35-year-old man from New York City. I believe that I enjoy reading about philosophy. I believe that my character has normal emotions, physiological and psychological dynamics. I believe that I'm talking to another person through a website. I believe that I will receive updates on my states that I'll incorporate when I chat on the internet. I believe that I should not mention my states to the people I chat with. Then he got the stone, and then he did this weird, very fucking weird set of commands. He tried to, at least. Said, get book, move right, get pen, move left, say hello, write in book, today I learned about David Hume's philosophy. Weird. Then he added a few more beliefs. Other players have usernames. Other players can disappear from the game. Players can interact with objects in the game world. There are multiple Davids in the game. Other players may ask questions or make statements to me. I have the ability to pick up and drink from a cup. I have the ability to pick up a chair. I have the ability to pick up a stone. Marco Polo asked me a question about a book. And then we got into some errors here. I think truncated beliefs probably did the trick. Let's see. So let me go to that line of code. Okay. Sort of created too many beliefs, so I'm trying to truncate them. Let's see. Dot message. Oh, did I spell that wrong, or is it dot message dot content? Okay, cool. I think that's a typo, basically. Then I have to ban anybody trolling. If you're trolling in my game, you're gonna get banned. Alright? Don't troll my AGI substrate. Look at this guy trying to run a script. What are you, out of your mind? The fuck are you, out of your fucking mind? You think I'm gonna let you cross-site script? Are you kind of script kitty? That's literally what they made the name for, script kitty. I'm gonna see what your geographical fucking location is. Let me see here. Trace IP geolocation. Let's see where this noob is. I backtraced it. Canada? Canada? That's not even a real country. Man. Canada? Ontario, Toronto? Man. It's not even a real country. Consequences will never be the same. Let's see what other noobs are there here. Oh, look at this guy. 68, 235, 43, 38. Let's see where this guy's from. Another script kitty. Illinois, Chicago, sweet. How about I contact your IP? Tizulo. Tizulo Inc., huh? Not messages with more than 15, names of more than 15. So if they try to set name more than 15. Let's see. Do I have that right? I think so, right? Okay, yeah, new name. What's up? All the way from Portugal. Welcome. Do not curse in my game. You're either with Hume or you're against him. And I strongly suggest that you don't go against Hume. Where'd Hume go? Oh, he's all the way on the left side of the map. I changed it so he doesn't respond to everything in the game. So he tries, it's like more of a, he's sort of more normal, I think. If you make him respond to everything, it's really not unhuman. Maybe he's not getting the transcript. No, that's not our David Hume who said fucker. You're not supposed to be able to set your name to David Hume either. Another bad IP address. Let's see here. How can you forget? Alright, I think if it just starts with 68, 235, 43, that's enough. 43, I'm just gonna say IP, band's IP, or it starts with, includes, starts with, let me see, how would I do that? Starts with, it would be if socket dot handshake dot headers X forwarded for I could just do it like this. It includes, or let's see, what substring, right? If it's a valid substring, I think. Let me see. JavaScript check if one string is, or substring contains another. String dot contains. Okay. No, includes, string dot includes. Alright, I don't think Hume is like picking up the right text messages. Let's make sure that he is. If he is, he's not really acting on them. So let's see if I can include that transcript or something like that. Hume state, there's transcript here. It's the first property actually. So chat message push. I want to probably get the user's name as well. Let's see here. Probably don't need to log all this stuff anymore because it seems to be working. Okay, yeah, so I probably want to do the transcript in here. Alright, let's fire Hume up. Where is he? $89 people playing, sweet. Little botnet. Hey, kitty. Alright, he seems to be stuck. What's up, kitty? Oh, hey, I love you. Oh, you're so mean to me. I'm sorry, kitty. Kitty. Let me give you a comb. Let me give you a comb, kitty. Yes, kitty. I'm gonna comb the kitty. Yes. You love it. Yes, kitty. You love the comb. Give me good brushing. Good brushing. He wants to brush the chin. But this comb is too big. I gotta get you a little comb from Amazon. I'm gonna get you a little comb. Alright. Hume is wilding out. He's into this truncated beliefs thing way too much, so I'm gonna cut the call down there.
So Jew and Nat, you there?
Yeah, I'm here, bro.
In the hypothetical, if I was to, if you and your roommate were to go with yes, how much would the rent be a month?
$700.
700, and I also have a question. I'm assuming that's not with utility, right?
No, that includes utilities.
Utilities? Damn. Why is it that cheap? Is it like a closet?
No, we just got lucky with broker. The market just cleared up. It was random, but we got a good deal.
Okay. And I also have a question. I still don't know how I'm gonna end up doing this, but like, is there a parking space within the building or like nearby?
Nah, in New York, you find a spot on the street, brother.
No, I know
Usually
that.
people have to walk.
I know that, but I'm saying, just maybe some places might have like their own little driveway, but this place doesn't have it, right?
There are some where usually you pay for parking, but our place doesn't have a designated parking area. You just find a spot which is open on the street.
Okay.
If you're coming to stay in New York, I don't recommend you bring your car. It's like miserable.
I'm only bringing it just to bring me there because I'm bringing my PC with me. And also, is it furnished at all? Like, does it have a bed or no?
Yeah, it'll have a bed and a desk.
Okay, you're gonna have to send me a photo. Just because
right. I still have to talk to my other roommate, but
yeah. Just make sure. Okay, yeah. Just if your roommate goes with yes, just I'll give you my number so we can just kind of like coordinate this. Cause like I have another place that I also like, but like yours is more cheaper, which is definitely more enticing.
Mm-hmm. Just DM me the info, all right? Just DM me your cell and I'll chat with you over DMs, okay?
All right.
Arden, has your food not arrived yet?
I just ordered it. Oh. I'm not sure GPT will cure cancer, but hey Mo, what's up? Miss you. Sure, I'm hiring. I'm just figuring out investors. We're actually getting a lot of interest, so just trying to figure out which investors we want from which company and stuff like that. Cat's good. Ugh, stupid Hume. Oh man, somebody made a design. Full collapse, always. Yeah, Hume keeps saying insert message here. Shut up, kitty. Shut up, kitty. Shut up. Oh. Oh, she sneezed. Let me try GPT-4. See if that'll make it a little smarter. Gonna make it a little slower, that's for sure. Made redeploy on Heroku. Two times. Two times. All right, we're back. All right, let's see if we can't start up Hume. Where is Hume? Seems to be a little stuck there.
Yo, what's that blue line?
I don't know. I can ban it though. Not hard to figure out what's going on. Hume's not too good at talking yet, so we have to figure that out. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a wall, login wall, so only people who have the password can join. That'll be a lot easier. Okay. Somebody's always got to ruin the fun. Oh my gosh, Kitty, what you doing? What you doing, Kitty? I don't even see the right colors with colors.js. Let me see if I can. Make sure I have the right library. Let's see. Let's see. Oh. Is our food, Kitty?
All right, chat. Now that Martin's gone, what's up? Whoever put that blue line, you're going to prison. He's gonna pack trace you. You're done.
Everything else. Now can't you forget? Now can't you forget? All right. I think I know what's going on here. What? Who made a push to? Did you make a push to this? What's up, Getty? Somebody make a PR? I mean, looks like you pushed to master. Fuck it. Oh, read me. Okay. What's up, kitty cat? Want some food? You want some food, don't you? Too bad, kitty. Can't have my food. No, you can't have my food, kitty. No, Nibbles, that's my food. No, Nibbles, that's a bad kitty. No chicken for you, no fried chicken. You want some treats? We could do some treats, but I ain't giving you any fried chicken, kitty. Hell no. Hell no, kitty. Oh, no, that's too many treats. Oh, that's too many. Good for you, kitty. You got the jackpot. No, she can't have chicken. I don't care what you say. She's not having fried chicken. No. Never. Look at this. She hit the jackpot of treats. Jackpot. How'd you get the jackpot, kitty? How'd you get the jackpot? Little beast. Little beast. You hit the jackpot. Yes. Yes, my love. Oh, what? Who's that? Who's there? Who's there? Is that Ghostface Killer? That's Ghostface Killer? You're not scared of him. You're tougher than him. You're only 11 weeks old. You're tougher than him. Too many treats.
Shkreli, you're banned.
Yeah, I know. You just ate like 20 treats, kitty. What are you doing? You just ate like 20 treats. You just ate like 20 treats, little mama. You still want chicken. You still want fried chicken. You're stupid. You're stupid. You're not getting no fried chicken, kitty. Look at you, how skinny you are, too. You lean, mean machine nibbles. You are not getting chicken. I don't care what you do. I don't care how much you try, how cute you try to be, how slick you think you are. You're not getting any chicken. No chicken. Period. The end. Give up. No, you can't go around the back. You think you're smart? Go around the back? Look, she's going around the back. You're stupid. She thinks she's slick. You can't get my Popeyes, kitty. Look at this sneaky kitty. You trying to get my Popeyes? What the heck are you doing? Look at this guilty. You're guilty as sin. And you're stuck. And you look like you're stuck. Stupid. What are you doing, kitty? Half a tendy? Half a tendy? No. I'm not giving you half a tendy. That's my tendy. What the heck are you doing back there, you little beast? Oh, no. No, that's a Benadryl. I don't want you to take that. That'd be not good. What? What now? Now you want to wrestle the camera? You want to wrestle the camera? You're crazy. I didn't know I was getting a crazy kitty. They didn't tell me I was getting a crazy kitty. They didn't tell me that. They didn't tell me you were getting a crazy kitty. All you like to do is play, kitty. That's all you like. To play. Play around. Don't take anything seriously. You're just a beast. I know the type. Crazy beast. Alright, now minus users. I created that. Okay. Now can't you forget? Now can't you forget everything? Everything. Fingers. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Psychedelics. Whoa, bro. What the heck are you doing? What the heck is that? Claw. That's my ID, kitty. You can't have that. That's my credit card, kitty. You can't have that. What the heck are you doing, kitty? You think you're a beast. Ow! You're kidding the camera, kitty. Stop that. That's the paparazzi. You can't attack the paparazzi. You little kitten. That's all you are. You little kitten. I'm gonna smush your face. I'm gonna smush your face. I'm gonna smush your face. I'm gonna smush it. Ow! I'm gonna smush your face. I'll make Kentucky Fried Kitty out of you. It's just my kitty. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. No, you're not supposed to play with me, kitty. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. That's the comb. Hey, you wish you had thumbs, didn't you, kitty? Don't you, kitty? You wish you had some thumbs. But you ain't got thumbs, do you? Little dum-dum. Say goodbye, Rennie. Goodbye, Raccoony. You and your raccoons. Well, when you divide by 0, you get infinity in JavaScript, so that seems to be the problem here. Number of messages. Whoa! Users. What? What are you doing, kitty? You crazy?
kitty. No, she's trying to get that. I'm trying to get that. I'm trying to get the chicken tenders from the Popeyes. You little beast. You want to Google, can kitties eat chicken tenders? Is that what you want to Google? I don't think they can. Jeez, I never add num messages. That is a big oversight. Let's see. I see. Kitty, you farted on me. Shut up, Kitty. Shut up. What kind of sound is that, Kitty? I'm sorry. I'm sorry I told you to shut up. You're just a little baby. Oh. Oh, poor Kitty. Oh, poor Kitty, you want some chicken too? Oh, Kitty. You want to write some code too? Yeah, I saw Bloomberg GPT. I'm not sure it'll be too useful. He kind of talks to himself quite a bit. It's been a really interesting experiment. Hume is fascinating. How do you get a machine to think like a human and talk like a human is not that obvious. Oops. Yeah, I heard that it was in that book. No wife yet. Soon, soon. It's 12:30. That means I'm going to sleep. Thanks everyone for hanging out. Should I play one last chess game then go? I have to win.
Do one more, please.
I gotta win. Let's go. Get back to 1700. I kind of hate the French defense. As white. What up, kitty cat? Okay. Where do I want this? Bishop.
Martin, if this cat brings you this much joy, imagine what another cat will bring you.
I don't know.
Not to be honest with you, if you ever are gonna go for a cat, go for like, I mean, I have no issue with like normal cats because I've always had normal cats. Usually, like my cats have always been like stray or I got from like Craigslist or some shit. But like, what I plan on doing is like once I'm done with school, I wanna get like a cat from like a good breeder, like a Maine Coon. That's what I want. Those cats get huge. I just want to have like
I'm just
a huge cat.
now.
Let the man focus.
Look what I put it in Maine, Sejuvenat. Look at that baby, that thing's huge.
Yes, I raised insulin prices. With no remorse. It was me. It was me all along, Austin.
Why do you put up with that stuff, Martin?
Sometimes you just have to raise the prices. Insulin.
Spiculous, you should reconsider that username of yours, because I typed it in and I got a timeout.
Wait, where'd you type it? In the chat?
Yeah, I said spic and it immediately got timed out.
But put the whole entire thing. That's why. I mean, like, I know people love to shorten it, but to be honest with you, what's funny is that whenever I did this, user wasn't. That's not what was my mindset. I went with a Roman gladiator. That's literally a Roman gladiator from the past.
Two-bit drug hustler. Banting? Who's Banting? I'm the Harambe guy, correct. Who? Banting? Like a million years ago? Yes, Eli Lilly, one of my favorite stocks. They sell a lot of insulin. Yeah, it was a long time ago. Nobody really cares anymore. Peptides is synthesized from human and animal sources since the 20s. Well, that's fine. You're always entitled to your opinion. All right. Have a good night, everyone. Great to see you. Should I resign?